Today I'm going to be sharing, it was a viral recipe that went around with feta cheese and these little flavor bomb cherry tomatoes. And you bake it in the oven, make pasta, and then mix it together. Well, I'm not a huge fan of feta cheese, and now people are doing it with the Boursin cheese, garlic, and herb. So you're going to need, first of all, I'm going to take some olive oil. Get some olive oil, put a little bit, I guess I could, I'm gonna put this right in the middle of it. It's really simple to make. I just don't care for the texture of feta cheese much. I will eat it, but it's not my favorite. And then we're going to take our cherry bombs. I'm just going to pick these off. You want to make sure you get all the green off. It's so simple to make, but it's really delicious. These little cherry tomatoes will bust and pop in the oven, and it just makes a delicious sauce with that cheese. And I'm also going to put just a little bit of garlic. I don't have any fresh garlic, so I'm going to do just a little bit on top of that. Hopefully that won't be too strong. And now I'm going to put some more, the lid came off. Put some more olive oil over top of that. And we're going to put some salt and pepper. All right, and let's put some herbs on our tomatoes. I think I've got some Italian seasoning or something. I've got some parsley. Let's put a little bit of parsley, a little bit of thyme. Oh, you know what would be in perfect? Herbs de Provence. I've got some of that right here. Let's use some of this. I cut my finger yesterday on an umbrella, and it is sore. It feels like a paper cut, and it is sore as can be. Okay, all right. I think we're good on the seasonings. All right, I'm going to put this in a 425 oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to get some water going, and we're going to cook our pasta, and it says it's ready in 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, our tomatoes and cheese just came out of the oven. It's looking delicious. Look at that. And I've got my water on here to boil. And this pasta is fresh pasta, and it boils, it says, in 2 minutes. So we're going to get that going here. And let me actually move you over here.
If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hang out with me.
Y'all excuse my dining room. We're remodeling, and we've got furniture everywhere. We've not waiting on contractors to get started. Okay, my water is boiling. I'm going to put some salt in it. I'm going to drop my spaghetti right down in there. I love this, what do you call these tongs from Pampered Chef? They're made for pasta. And they've got the little pasta tongue things on it. But yeah, this is going to be so good. So I'm going to get that going. Let it finish. I think I'm going to take my meat chopper or mix and chop and just do it like this to make my sauce. Oh, those are so soft and tender. Yeah, that's going to be delicious. That's going to be amazing. Yeah, that's amazing. That Boursin cheese, garlic, and herb. Now, they have several different ones that you can do. And I like the garlic and herb for this. I think it was perfect. See how it makes a sauce? And then after our spaghetti boils, we're going to drain it and put it right in here. It's going to be delicious. All right, our spaghetti is finished. We're just going to take it. I'm going to put it right next to my pan here. And put it right in there. Some of that pasta water is fine if it gets in there. All right. Can get that mixed up in there good. I think it looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. All right. All right. As soon as our rolls are done, we're ready to eat. I'm going to put some shredded parm on it. We'll put a little bit of shredded parm on it. There we go. All right. All right, guys. I'm trying to get a good angle that it's not going to be bad lighting. Let's try our pasta. Wasn't filming. That's delicious. I hope you all give this a try. Let me know if you do. I thank you for watching. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.